Hello, friends. Today we will learn how we can enable the transaction code in the SAP Easy Access menu. So, if you see, there is no transaction code on this node. So, to display the transaction code in the Easy Access menu, go in the extras, click on the settings. So, a pop-up will come. Here you can see only the checkbox for the display technical names. Just check, click on that display technical names. Okay, and now if you see the now display on every node. See, just you click on, the system will open the transaction code. So please like, share and subscribe for more updates on SAP. I brings lots of information on SAP, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you.